Vegetables with Madame T. Are you hungry? Do you like vegetables? Cucumbers, carrots, an avocado, lettuce, peppers, an onion. Which vegetable do you prefer? Spinach, corn, zucchini, an eggplant, mushrooms, beets. Which vegetable do you prefer? Cauliflower, green beans, asparagus, peas, broccoli, cabbage. Which vegetable do you prefer? Celery, leeks, garlic, a tomato, potatoes, radishes. Which vegetable do you prefer? Eat the rainbow every day. Eat a range of colors to stay healthy and strong. What is your favorite vegetable? I love tomatoes. Tomatoes are considered a fruit. I also love broccoli. Welcome to Madame T's vegetable garden. Would you like to come take a look? Come on, let's see what's inside. We'll open the gate and wow, what do you see in here? Which vegetable plant is this? It's a zucchini! Zucchini plants have yellow flowers. What is this? I see tomatoes. Tomatoes start out green and then they turn red in the sun. They ripen and they're ready to eat. Delicious. Which vegetable will we find next? It's broccoli! Gardens are beautiful. Do you like to garden? What is this? It's a cabbage! Which vegetable do you see here? I see peppers. What do you see here? Tomatoes. What do you see here? I see corn, ready to eat. What do you see here? I see zucchinis with their yellow flowers. Growing everywhere. What do you see here? I see lettuce growing everywhere. What do you see here? I see rows of onions. Take care of the earth. The earth gives us so much. Learn with Madame T. Like and subscribe for more. Get out there, plant a garden. Celebrate the earth.